So we're here at the Lift 2013. I'm trying out the new Mobino mobile payment system. So I'm here at the bar, and I'm going to try it for the first time. And here at the conference, they give 10 Swiss francs for free. So I'm going to try to order, I'd like a pineapple juice. Do you have pineapple juice?
Yes, we do.
All right. So I'm going to get a pineapple juice, and I will just ask her what to do, I guess. I'll ask her. There will be some kind of thing that will happen.
It just works, Nicola. It just works. It's magic.
So there's the pineapple juice, and there's my mobile, okay? It's connected on the Wi-Fi here, but you could use the data network. And so she's going to do something.
And you're discovering it with us.
I've never seen it before, so I have no idea what she's going to do. So she types on a tablet.
Yes, I put the price.
3.5 Swiss franc.
The price of the juice. Then I'll ask for your code. And you have to put your code in your...
This is the token. This is a token.
So I click Pay Merchant.
Pay Merchant.
Pay Merchant. I type in the token. 74629. And I say Next.
And
now I can
show us the tablet also. Now you have to give your secret code, Nicola. Don't show me your screen. But I'll focus on Maria's screen now. See what happens.
I typed in my code.
The vendor has transaction is... Oh, it's paid already.
Paid. It took the money from here, and I'm paid. And I can actually leave.
And you can go.
Thank you.
I can go.
Have
It's
a nice
paid.
day.
I leave the glass.
Fantastic.
That's very
It
interesting.
really works. And it's Danish kroner, Swiss franc, euro, dollar, you name it.
That's really cool. Let's trade. Let me get the camera, and I'll film you.
Let's go.
All right. So who are you?
I'm Jean-François Groff, and I was already interviewed by you, and you made me a star on YouTube. Thank you, Nicola.
No problem. That's of course it's natural. It's normal. And so, what you do, Mobino?
Yeah,
Here.
Mobino started as a payment system that worked on regular phones. So if somebody has a good old feature phone or no feature phone, a phone where you can talk, then you can pay with it. That was my original concept. Let me get a phone out for you. From my suitcase, I have all kinds of electronics equipment here.
So there's all these features.
Some of these old phones, you know, well, you can still pay with this.
You have the same features as
It's
here?
the same feature, and that's what we demoed 2 years ago. Okay, it's on your other video. But now we made it available on the smartphones, on the two biggest platforms, Android and iOS, and it's available today, connected to banks in 32 countries in Europe. And we're also going soon to African countries such as Nigeria, Morocco, etc.
So it says here, pay merchant, send money, my account.
Yeah, check your account. What happened on
Check
your
your
account?
So I got 10 francs from you.
Yeah,
That's
which
like,
was converted to Danish kroner automatically because you have a Danish number.
And that was here, and then I went to a bar and I paid this, and this is what's left.
And that's
so
your
it's
balance.
very basic.
So
and,
you can pay a merchant there easily.
What do I do? Request money?
Request me. Ask me some money. I'll pay
To
you.
you?
Yeah. How much you want?
All right, I'd like 25.
Be kind, huh?
Yeah?
Not 25 million, huh?
No, 25,000? No, 25 kroner.
25 kroner. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead. Get the token.
Get token.
The token represents your transaction. It's
Yeah.
valid for only 5 minutes.
Okay.
And this token is unique to you. And after your transaction is done, it will expire. So me.
So that's like 4 francs or something like that.
Yeah, so I launched my Mobino too, and I'm in Swiss franc. I'm gonna pay you. Pay. What's your token, please? 27986. Okay. The thing tells me what the transaction. You're going to pay 25 kroner to Nicolas Charbonnier. If we had your picture, I would see your picture here. You know?
Nice.
Okay, and I give my secret code, of course, which
Yeah.
you won't see. So if somebody steals your phone, he can never steal your money. It's very important.
It says in progress here. And they are paid.
Paid.
Wow.
You've got the money. I've got less
Nice.
money. You've got more money.
Nice. So I can go back to what's called here. I can go 65.
Check your
64.
transactions. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
And it says
Done.
here, I got money from you. That's
Fantastic.
It actually works.
Yeah.
So
And the even better thing is you can send money to anyone in your address book. Anyone. Doesn't matter where he lives. Doesn't matter if they have Mobino or not. Your cousin, your mother, your girlfriend. Send them money.
nice. So basically, those are the 3 features: pay merchant, send money, and request money.
Exactly.
And so you have basically that's it. There's no extra features.
That's all.
it.
What
That's
else
all you need.
It's payment.
payment?
It's not loyalty cards or all that. That's a different business. We do just payment. We want to make it as fluid and easy as possible.
So how do you add money to your system? You need to take from the account or something, right?
That is the key question.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have already connected our backend to the banking system. We want to connect to the banking system directly. We don't want to go through credit cards. We charge you a fortune and charge merchants a fortune. It's outdated. Credit cards are from the 60s. If we invent payments today, we're not going to invent the credit card. We're going to invent something else. So this is why we connect directly to the banks, and we can offer you much lower fees and instant confirmation, which means we also lower the risk dramatically for a merchant. He doesn't have to wait for chargebacks or whatever's going to happen. If the money, he hears the ka-ching, the money is here, it's on the account, there's no discussion. That's the point with Mobino. So this interface to banks, it's ready in the back end. We are now experimenting with the front end virally, and we will expose it to the next version of the application, let's say 2-3 months from now. We're also dealing with the regulators, so we are totally clean, and we keep your money in a safe place here in Switzerland.
All right, so everything is based in Geneva?
Everything at Geneva, Zurich.
And Swiss company?
It's a Swiss company.
And but can you also take money from credit cards, or are you only planning to only take from banks?
We could take money from credit cards. We don't want to.
You prefer not to?
Yeah.
But how about from taking money from PayPal, from other things?
Why would I? Maybe from Duola. Duola has a very similar model to ours. It operates in the US, so we would love to work with them.
All right.
Or other, modern startups. For example, it's very important, I mentioned Africa. There are many mobile money operators there. M-Pesa is very well known in Kenya, but there's 150 mobile money deployments today in the world. So of course we want to be there, and we want to partner with people who are already there on the ground. For example, in India, we may work with Echo or whoever, I don't want to name all the names. So if you're in Europe, you have a friend in India or family, you're in the UK, you take money from your UK bank account on Mobino, you send it to your friend in India on his phone number. And there he goes to his local agent with mobile money operators, and he gets out the cash to pay for his groceries. It's that simple.
So the reason you might or might not partner with one of the other payment system, is it just about the fees, or is it regulation, or is it?
We are fully regulated. We're audited by the FINMA, so that's not a problem. We want to make payments easier. So anybody who helps us, who helps the customers, helps the merchant have more fluidity, have less risk in payments, we will partner with. Anybody who wants to cling to the old model, to the credit cards, sorry, we don't need you.
How much is your fees?
0 for personal use, 0.0
0.0
for personal use, and exactly 1% for merchants.
So the cafe would pay 1%.
That's right.
Users pay 0.
Yeah.
You can send money to people 0.
Freely.
Free.
Except when you have exchange rates. Of course, we don't have control on exchange rates, so we try to give you the best rate we can, but it's not totally free, of course.
Okay, but you take less exchange rate than all the exchange people.
That's right, because they screw you. Let's face it, they have a spread of 20%. Look at that. They screw you. The good ones, they have a spread of only 8%. Maybe if we take 2% from the exchange rate for you, it'll be fine.
Nice. Really cool. So data, you need data, but you can do it on the SMS network too.
Not the SMS. SMS is not secure enough. It's not really reliable.
Yeah.
You can do it either with data on Wi-Fi or on your data 3G or even your GPRS. Mobino works on GPRS, on Edge, on really slow connections. I've tried it personally in countries where nobody has set foot.
But the old phone you were showing,
But the old phone, it uses voice. You call a number and you give your token on the keypad here. And the synthetic voice will tell you, now you are going to pay €12.50 to the restaurant Miami in Oakland, and that's it.
Cool.